So about section is another really important section here. If you go here in this profile, go to about and just click here, so hit edit and you're gonna get this to section. Now I'll just give you one good sample one. So if I were you, I would just copy everything. For example, you can copy from Kevin Chawla or anybody else, but you can pretty much copy this and paste it in your own thing. Change the checkbox to your own. For example, if you're a data analyst, then add your stuff, experience data analyst with specialization in whatever, and make sure you add a don't need that, but add email, GitHub, phone. 3 things are must. Again, as let me reiterate, make it easy for recruiter to call you. So put the phone number here, whatever. Now there's one more section that has been added recently about the skills. Okay, so it's even gonna suggest you skills based on your profile. I suggest you add, for example, if you are a QA analyst, add Selenium. If you are and then manual testing. So make sure you add as many it possibly lets you, it allows you to add. Okay, then you just, so I'm going to cancel this, but that's pretty much it.